Okay, these are the word problems to go along with Chapter 10, Section 3. Wanted to just do a couple of the word problems as we aren't introducing any additional math concepts that we didn't show you in the previous video. They're just presented in a different way. So just kind of wanted to go over and make sure we're all on the same page with stuff. So when we're looking at 26, Ronnie Lockwood signed a $2,400 simple discount promissory note to the bank. Discount rate was 14%, and it was made on February 19th for 50 days. So those are the key relevant pieces of information in the problem. So let's look at the question number 1. What proceeds will he receive on the note? Okay, so basically it's the face value times the interest rate, right, times the time, and that'll give us the bank discount, right? Okay, so face value then, change colors here, would be 24,000. Rate is going to be 0.14, and the time is going to be 50 days, and again that's going to be over the 360. So just calculator again. So I'm getting that ready here. So we would have 2,400 times 0.14 times 50 divided by 360. So the discount then is going to be 466.67 because we're going to round up. Okay, and you're going to subtract that from the 2,400 in order to get how much is he going to receive. So we would just simply then take the 2,400, if we want to do it on the calculator, minus the 466.67. So he would get from the bank then at that particular point then 23,533.33, and then he's going to pay back the 24,000. Okay, so that's how those work. Okay, they're going to buy it at a discount. They're going to give you a little less money. The interest then is the difference then between what you're going to receive, or the proceeds, and what the bank is signing the note over for. Second part here says, what is the maturity date of the note? Well, it starts on February 19th, and it's for 50 days. Okay. Well, how many days in February? So we start with that. So we're going to have 9 additional days in February then. We need a total of 50. So March is going to give us 31. Okay, well that takes us up to 40 already, so that's pretty close to the 50. So then it looks like it's going to be due on April 10th. And so that's the 10 additional days then in order to get us up to 50. So that part was pretty straightforward then. Okay, so let's look at another story problem. Okay, number 28. Pinnacle Manufacturing receives 40,000 note at 12%, simple interest for 95 days. So the key information here, let's just underline that. 95 days. On day 70, discounted the note to the bank at a discount rate of 15. The note was made on September 12th. So those are kind of the key pieces that we need. So the first question is, what is the maturity date of the note? Well, it starts off on September 12th, and it's good for 95 days. So we just start going down. So September, looks like we have an additional 18 days there. October, it's going to give us 31. November, 30. So that's kind of, we're getting close there. So let's kind of total up what we have. So that gives us 79. So that's close to the 95. So let's just 79. So 16's left then. So then the December 16th then is the day of the note is due. Okay, so that's the first answer. And that's pretty straightforward there. You just have to count with the calendar. Okay, what is the maturity value of the note? Well, I have to go through here. Remember, its interest is going to be some maturity value, then is going to be the $40,000. It's 12%, 112, and it's for 95 days. And it's over that 360. So again, we're just going to have calculator. So 40,000 times 0.12 times 95 divided by 360. Okay, so I'm going to add that on. So that's the interest there, 67. I did enter my calculator there. And so maturity value is going to be that plus the original note. And we could use the other formula, or we can just get the interest and add it on. So 67. Okay, either way you want to do it. Okay, what is the discount date? Okay, well, we knew it was due on December 16th, and on day 70. Okay, so now we have to count up 70 instead of 95, so we go back over here. So November 30 was too much then, right? So then we would have September 18, October 31, so that gives us 49 from 70. So we would subtract that. So 21st, so November 21st then is going to be our discount date. Okay. What proceeds did it receive after discounting the note? Okay. Well, here's the value of the note. 67. Okay. And you had to subtract the interest here that was in that time. So we have to figure that out, right? So our discount rate up here was 15%, 0.15. And the difference between the 95 and day 70 is 25 days. So we would then go back to our calculator. So we would have 41,266.67 times 0.15 times 25 days divided by the 360. And so we would then discount that 429.87. Okay. Now, then we would then take this, to finish that off, what proceeds did they receive? So that was the value of the note. They're going to discount it by this amount, so we would then just subtract that. And then we would just get and do the calculator off here in the corner. 48,36.81. Okay. So again, it's just going slow and easy, taking each step, verifying you've got the right formula, plugging it in, and good luck with the story problems.